If you look back through history, almost every mass-adopted technology is either blamed for a lot of societal problems, or it's viewed with a huge amount of suspicion. So in the 1800s, people viewed the telephone as being potentially far too disruptive. It could potentially cause mental illness or make people go deaf. We obviously know that's totally untrue now. Similarly, the microwave, many people suspected that microwaves could cause cancer or other illness. That's also been completely disproven. And now in the modern era, we're looking more at the amount of time people spend in front of screens, whether that's social media or smartphones. And one thing that's repeated throughout history is that as we learn more about these technologies and they become more ingrained in our lives, the truth often lies somewhere between these two extremes. Technologies open lots of new doors. They allow us to do many, many things that we couldn't otherwise do. They also open the floodgates to lots of other problems that we couldn't have predicted in the first place. And understanding that relationship is a lot of the basis of the work at Lancaster at the moment.